Hi, this is MURAD. I am the CMO of FanVestor. I am super excited to be joining Anina and the team in bringing together the Digital Fashion Online Summit and really raising awareness of what's happening in the world of technology and innovation, especially as it relates to health and wellness brands. For my background, I come from the world of fashion, retail, and technology. I've worked with companies such as Neiman Marcus, Bloomingdale's, Nike on how to really bring clothing, fashion, retail to customers. And on the other side, I've worked in the technology world as VP of Global Marketing for Yahoo and really showcased how technology is innovating and redefining how fashion is going to live. I have a great panel, some exciting celebrities that will join us, and we're going to talk about how the health, wellness, and beauty brands are really changing the way we see fashion because of the technology and the innovations behind it and the way we can rapidly go from the supply chain all the way through to the actual customer. So join me March 28th, 29th, and I look forward to having you enjoy our panel and hopefully bring you a lot of insights into what's happening when it comes to technology in the world of health and wellness and beauty. Thanks.